roasting under these lights. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kirstin. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a Primark haul. So our Primark recently opened back up again after lockdown, and of course I went and bought stuff because why not? I got some bits for me and some bits for Alfie, which to be honest, I could have went completely insane in the shop and bought lots, but I tried to limit myself a little bit. I've not got a bag to hold up like the compulsory like woo Primark haul because I didn't buy a 5p bag, but I will show you the clothes. So yeah, let's just jump right in. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then thank you so much. Please hit the bell notification to be reminded when I post new videos. So the first thing that I bought was this top that I'm wearing. Oh, I love it so much. I'm super into white just now. I think it suits my skin tone. I was told by somebody that I think it's my winter skin tone. But anyway, white and black seems what am I trying to say? White and black seems to suit me. White and black seems to suit me, so yeah, I went for this white and black spotted top. It's so nice. It's stretchy material. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of ribbed and stretchy. Oh, it's not polka dots, it's love hearts. I didn't even notice that. Oh, I like it a little bit better now. It's not polka dots, it's love hearts. But yeah, it's still white and black, so I was half right. It's stretch material and it's really fitted as well, which is really good if you're wearing like culottes or what are those other things called? The trousers that are like really wide legged at the bottom. If you're like baggy on the bottom, I tend to go tight on the top, and if it's baggy on the top, I go tight on the legs. But to be fair, I don't even know if that's right anymore because I've got no clue how to dress for my figure now that I've had a baby. It's completely changed. I really like this top and I'm pretty sure it's about £5 or £6 as well. I'll stand up just now actually and show you. So it looks like this. It's really nice, I really like it. It's just like a little capped sleeve and it's all frilly at the sleeves. But yeah, it's really tight and yeah, I think it looks really nice. I've got culottes on today and I think it looks good with them. By the way, I think my camera's had an update whilst I've been gone.
Camera can't update, so.
Well, who's updated it? Because it wasn't me. So sticking on the polka dot white and black theme, I got this top. So this one is a kind of like longer than a crop top and it's really baggy as well. So this is one of those baggy on the top, tight on the bottom. So, Cooper, excuse me, I'm trying to film a video. I wore this with tight high-waisted jeans. I got this in a size 10 to 12, but if I'm honest, I probably could have went one size down because it is quite baggy. If you are going to buy this, then I would maybe just size down in it. But it's really nice. I don't know if I've told you the price, but it was £5 I think, or £6. Oh god, I'm awful at this. I don't have the receipt. I'm not sure where it is. I actually wore that top here with these. These are grey ribbed culottes. They're just 3/4 lengths. They're so nice. Oh my god, they're so comfortable. It's unbelievable. Even when you have a little bit of a bloat, if any of you eat a certain food and get a little bit bloated, I know most people do, but for me it's like anything gluteny. So these are just so good because they stretch with you, which is amazing. And they're so like chilled and casual but could also be dressed up. So yeah, I wore that white and black spotted top with these. It looked so nice. And I liked them that much that I got them in black as well. So here they are in black. Unfortunately, I put them on already and then I noticed that they have a stain right here on them. It looks like someone's maybe bleached them. I don't know if they've bleached and taken them back or not, but it's not going to come off. But I don't even know where my receipt is now, so I don't think I'll be able to take them back. Because Primark have this weird policy where you have to have your receipt to return things even if they're faulty, which is, I don't think any other shop has that. I'm still going to wear them, I'll just wear them around the house. But yeah, they're really, really comfortable, just like the grey ones. They fit beautifully as well. I would definitely recommend picking up a pair, or both pairs. These are like the flared things I was talking about. They're just really loose. They're a super lightweight fabric and obviously they're black. Got a nice stretchy waistband and then a ribbony thing that you can tie into a bow as well. They're high-waisted also. Sorry if I'm looking here a lot, I'm trying really hard to get back into the swing of things. They're high-waisted, they're super comfy and they're flared. Now if you're the same size as me, I'm 5'3", they're a little teeny bit long, but I think it still works because that's the kind of style that they're going for. But if you were any shorter than 5'3", I'm not sure that these would fit your legs. I think that would be too long. So yeah, and they were only £8, which was a total bargain. They also had them in green and mustard, I think. But yeah, I just went with the black ones. Is it though? It's one of cutes. Next thing I got is this top. This was actually on sale for £3. And you know me, I love a bargain, love a sale. I was actually surprised that there wasn't more sale items, but still, obviously Primark's so cheap anyway. But this is lovely. I got this in a size 2XS, so obviously it's really big made because I am nowhere near a size 4/6. Itchy back. What's that bit here doing? It is a top that kind of sits tight-ish on your like boobs and your chest area, and then it's got like a little peplum. Remember when peplums were really big? Well, this is trying to make a wee comeback here. What's that on it? Oh, I've got foundation on it. That's just from my last video though. Oh, stop looking in that bit. So, £3 bargain. I also got this. This is just like a really casual, baggy, again white because I think white suits me really nice. A baggy white striped top. It's a high to low, higher hem at the front and then lower at the back, so it's really nice. I usually just wear this with leggings, but you could also wear it tucked into high-waisted jeans with a nice belt. And yeah, it's really nice, and it was only £4, which is so cheap. Hello Alfie! Did you enjoy your nap? You're a good boy. The last thing that I bought for me, which, oh my god, I really, really love this, is this denim dress. It's a v-neck and is buttoned all the way down, and it's got a really pretty belt too. It's also got these really big pockets on it, which is super handy just for your like essentials. Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing? Are you coming to say hello to everyone? There, say hello to everybody. You have just woken up. Have you just woken up? You're going to get your lunch now. Say hello, 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 hello there, hello there. Daddy, say mum. No, say mama. Say mama. Right, go to daddy then. Bye. See you in 5 minutes when I'm finished. That was the last of what I got for myself. I got a few bits for Alfie, some socks, some like poppery vest things and some pyjama sleep suits. I've already put all of them away in these drawers, so I can't show you them. I'm not sure if you'd even be interested in them anyway, to be fair. Okay, so I'm back. I might look a bit different because I've been away getting Alfie lunch and stuff, but I've got 2 more things to show you. Shoes I got for Alfie. How cute are these little shoes? So cute. They're just blue and they've got like lime green lining, and they're really bendable as well, which is really good. Our next door neighbour told us actually, which I don't know, that you should try and have the soles of your like baby's shoes as soft as possible so that they can bend and stuff. It's called something about, I think it's called the barefoot. Yeah, I think barefoot walking or something. I don't know, you can look into it if you are interested. But Barefoot is actually a company and their shoes are like £20 odd, and these were only £6. And they're really flexible. And I love as well that they've got Velcro and they stretch because it's so hard to get baby's feet into shoes. So I got these in a size 5, but they're a little bit big on Alfie. I think he's probably around about a 4.5 just now, but these I think are made a little bit bigger. So if your baby is like a 5, I would probably get him a 4 because these are quite huge. There's like a big gap between his toe and the top of the shoe. And the next shoes that I bought, I'll leave a little clip on the screen because he's away out with Kyle for a walk just now and he's got them on. But they're just like these chunky white trainers. Oh, I think they're so cute. They're like little platforms, and I'm pretty sure they were £7. Really like them in them. Obviously they're going to get super dirty very quickly, but we can always wipe them. I was so happy to know that Primark was opened again so that I could go and purchase him some shoes and actually try them on his feet rather than just guess online. All the purchases that I made, I think it was about £80 odd in total, with all of Alfie's like sleep suits and stuff, and then the clothes that I bought. I really hope you enjoyed the video and seeing me try the pieces on, and I hope you enjoyed me letting you know how I would style them up and what kind of clothes I would pair them with. If you would like kind of fashion videos or tips, if you're like a similar frame to me, you'll have obviously seen what my body type is like in the try on, then yeah, please let me know. It'd be something I would quite like to do, some sort of like fashion-y, vloggy type videos. If you're interested, then yeah, just let me know that. Please do subscribe for more videos. There's a new video every Sunday on my channel, along with another one at some time in the week. I've not decided that yet. Hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed it, and make sure to click the bell as well so that you're notified when I post new videos. Thank you again, have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!